waters from Calumet Harbor to Gary. Open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 12:15 a.m. At 10:45 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 nautical miles southwest of Elgin to Aurora to 15 nautical miles west of Joliet, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Hammond Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, Belmont Harbor, and 59th Street Marina. The National Weather Service.